What up, YouTube? Woo, shit. All right, so I'm doing the transmission, the power steering fluid flush, and because I had a lousy power steering noise, I already got rid of the bubbles, but I accidentally put regular power steering fluid instead of ATF, which is automatic transmission fluid. And it literally took me like an hour to finish this up, just to rig it up, just to make sure. I found out that my hoses were all screwed up. Look at this. And we got Ghetto Bird walking. FaceTiming. Acting ghetto for no reason. Anyways, so what I have here is a 3/8 fuel line, or just some piping in the, I can't even speak, and I cut myself in the process. Look, wow, that's blood. It's still spewing. It's gonna hurt later. And then you gotta have your chili mangoes. You gotta always have your snacks, you know. And that's pretty much it. I took off my intake because it was in the way. I could not even attempt to take off that line. And then one other thing you got to do is take out the ignition fuse from center console. Let me see, not from the center console, but from the console. So from the looks of it, it's gonna be that one, 15. I'm making a huge noise, so it's gonna be the one in between the two reds, the 10 and 10 from the middle. So I'll be right back. Let me put this on. All right, so you can see how it's super dirty right there, but that's the fluid that I fucked up on. That's the fluid that I don't want to be here. That was a regular power steering fluid, which was kind of like oilish color. My fans are still going. I need to do this like 3 more times, and I will be right back with the finished product. All right, as you can tell, look at the mixture between that. That's me messing up, so don't do that. That looks like it's the dirty one. It seems like the red ATF is coming out a lot better, and I'll give it one more pump, and it looks like everything should be back to normal. So I'll be right back. So it looks like everything is good. Bright red fluid started coming out, and that's brand new ATF fluid color. So it should be ready. I cranked it about 3 times, each one 10 seconds only, and then stopped and let it calm down for about 2 minutes, and so the starter doesn't blow up. You know, I don't want to buy another starter. And then should be set to go. So I will put everything back together. Excuse me. And then we'll take it for a spin and see how it sounds when it starts, because it was making a terrible noise. And we'll be back. All right. Here's the moment of truth. Hopefully that pipe holds up. Alright, it seems to be a lot better. I still don't know what that noise is. I think those are the bearings for my timing belt. I have to do that. Shit. And I have to go buy one of the spark plug coil packs, because I feel like one of them is failing. So let's go back to this and see how it sounds. it's actually really quieter now. So thank you guys for watching. Give a like, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell for that next video, and leave a comment down below. Peace out.